Hello and thanks for tuning in. This video is gonna be a box opening. I got a box of locks from Gaelic Wolfling, or Libre Locksport I believe his channel is named now. Talked a little bit with him. He said he was sending some locks, and I know something that's in here. He said he was gonna leave a little surprise, so I'm a bit excited. Master, Commando, this master, I don't remember the... Yeah, 532. He referred to this as a pickbreaker on his channel, so I asked him for that one. And Master 175. Okay. There's been a lot of talk about commando locks, so I think I'm gonna do this one in a video on its own. You've seen this plenty of times, so I'm not gonna do that one right now. I have done one of the lockout locks from Masters, so let's skip this one for now, and we're stuck with the pickbreaker. Well, let's give it a try. I'll try to mount it in a vise just to give you a little better view. The key is hanging here. Some highs and some lows. Let's see if we can get into this one without using the key. Maybe a thin pry bar and a gem. Let's see what we got. Let's see, that's the thin one. Maybe a fat one. Nope. Starting with a little bit of tension, and we immediately got a false set when touching pin number 2. Something on pin 1. Three. I think that was number 4. Three again, maybe. Something on 1. Nothing. behind the tension wrench here. And open. Well, it was a little bound up at some point, but luckily I didn't break my pick. There we go. So let's lock it back up. I forgot to count the pins, but it felt like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's a 5 actually. Works great. Thanks for the lock, and thanks for tuning in and watching.